triple hinge. Look at this. White oak. There's those pink ribbons. It's not the property line, so if I lose it over, it don't matter, but it's called the LOD, limit of disturbance. There's one there. There's one there. That tree will have to go. The only thing that's going to bone me on this, I got to get back here so you can see a little bit. I mean, you see all the weights out here? Plumb is about right there. That limb is going to catch that red oak, and it's going to pull that tree around like this. You watch. I got it aimed so it kind of goes up that way. I'm going to wait for the dozer man to be out of the way. Wait for Joey to get out of the way. You see I got my 3 vertical cuts well past. This is about 3-4 inches down, 3-4 inches up. It's my notch. My notch. Whoa! So let's see how it goes. Mount you guys. Maybe I'll put you right here, huh? Let me split this. So I want you right there. That might work. Might not. I don't know. How's that? It ain't bad. Alright, he's in the machine. I don't know, baby. I don't know. You don't know. Yeah, just couldn't hold it. There's metal in that too. See it? I'm gonna have to break that in half to get that out of there. Look at the office. Look at this view. Holy balls, man. Got a truck coming in hot. Gotta go. Holy shit, what have I gotten myself into? Camera don't do this justice. That up there is over a 1-to-1. Same with right. I mean, look at that. It's like a damn cliff. This all slid here at one point in time. There's a big slip. This all has to get cut down. Look at this thing. Leaning hard out over the... It's leaning all over the LOD. I mean, just all over. Look. Look at it. There, this little twig here, that's plumb there. Huh. What do I do with that? There's the stake. I honestly might have to send that. We might just have to send it, literally. Just send it. I could probably swing it right over the creek and then pull it up out of there. I don't know, man. I don't know. Damn. This sucks. Alright, I'm going to try to swing this. I don't know how it's going to go. It's got a bad lean. It wants to go that way. I'm going to try to make it go that way. Hollow. I wanted it about 8 more feet that way, but I did miss that big black pipe right there, so I guess that's what we're all going for now, ain't it? I'll probably come over here with the dozer and pull that log up this way. Get all that mess out of that little drainage ditch. Well, let's show you what I did today. I cut this marvelous road next to this pipe here that somebody felt the need not to bury. And then I cut all the way up into there. There's that hard maple. There's a great big one right here somewhere. Stumps down there, I don't know if you see it. So you explain what I'm doing here. My job is to cut any grade and any scrag out and pull it out. And then come back through and drop everything else. Like a bat job. And this terrain is shitty, to say the least. But this is where the Sasquatch, as Dale calls me, has gone. I cut all the grade and all the scrag, pulled it out except for this oak, that oak, that dead ash that's still sound, and then there's a little oak right there. And everything else. Oh wait, no. There's 2 cherry on the other side of the pipe that I can't pull across that pipe. They're gonna have to disconnect it. I don't know what the deal is. There's actually one of them's right there, then the other one's right over there. So look at all that. Is the sun messing with you? Can you see that? What a glorious mesh. You can't tell it goes out around this hill too. And it comes straight up over and goes straight across like that white oak ain't in it. But those 2 gnarly turds are. Not bad for a day's work. So tomorrow we'll cut across here, get all the grade, and then drop everything. And we'll work ourselves right up out of this valley. Then I'll hike my little butt out down through here, and I'll cut all that out. This ain't no fun. This is miserable work. I kind of regret my decision on coming here. But that happens, so you just roll with it, eh? New dude about it. All right, we'll see you later.